Transferring your ISA to Trading 212 is easier than you think. You might have opened an ISA with an introductory rate that has now expired, but you're probably losing out on extra interest if you aren't considering a transfer to a new provider with a better offer. I had originally opened a Plum Cash ISA because it was one of the recommended accounts from Money Saving Expert. There was a high interest and bonus rate for new users, which would end after 1 year. And so I opened the account, I added my cash, and I forgot about it. When it was time, I decided to switch to Trading 212, which now had a better interest rate of around 4%. To transfer my Plum ISA to Trading 212, I had to open the Cash ISA first, and then in the app, I scrolled down and selected Transfer Now, and then Get Started. I searched for Plum FinTech at the top and chose Cash. And as I live in the UK, my account number was actually my national insurance number. On the next screen, I chose Full Transfer for both of these options and selected Next. Trading 212 had auto-filled the transfer request form. So here I checked my details, added my digital signature, and then hit Submit. The interest for my Plum ISA usually came in on the 3rd of the month. And if you're looking to transfer your ISA, I'd recommend starting this process as soon as you receive the next interest payment, to reduce the amount of interest you may lose when you submit the transfer in Trading 212. I started the transfer on Saturday the 10th of January and it was completed on Wednesday the 14th. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and if you want to see how much interest I earned in my Cash ISA with Plum, or what dividend stocks I'm investing in on Trading 212, you might like these videos.